happened to you? Am I not talking to a human being?
It's Izuna. Hey! Izuna did this to you.
Have I not warned you about this same Izuna? Your mother is no more alive. And I'm the mother you are seeing now. Why can't you obey me? Look at what a man did to you. Eh? Can you now rest? Can you now rest? Yes, Dikeh. Or do you want him to kill you? Can he do this to his own sister? Now, I want you to take me to their house. He must explain to me why he did this to my sister's only child. Oh yeah, Mama, wait. What? If I'm not going to take you there.
Ego Ibo is an adult. As far as she cannot obey you, then let her handle her issues. All I know is that Izuna must suffer for this, so he will suffer for this. It's not because of that princess that he did all these things to me.
Hey! Oh yeah, come on now. Every time Izuna do this.
No, Izuna. No! This is not right. Okay? You have no right whatsoever to lay your hands on that girl. What did she do to you? Did you beat her because you feel she has no brother to challenge you? You beat her because you feel you can? What did she do, Izuna? That girl was fighting simply for what she thought is hers.
That is absolute nonsense. Even if she thought she was fighting for whatever it is that belongs to her, she went about it this stupid way. What gave her the right to slap the princess? In my compound. After having warned her not to lay her miserable feet in my compound again, she dared me.
And that gave you the right to beat her. Izuna, don't forget that girl is a woman. They are called weaker vessels. And I repeat, it's wrong. And you must apologize to her.
Apogeni, over my dead body will I do that.
Izuna.
I will never. In fact, it's over between us. What do I even gain from her?
This life is something else. Of course, you gain nothing from her. It's now the princess that you gain from. I'm aware it will come to this. Okay, I knew it will come to this point. But forget that the same you told me that the princess has a suitor. So be very careful and know when you're tampering with someone's wife.
Nobody's tampering with anybody's wife here. Her father has insisted she's not getting married to any man outside of this kingdom. Okay? So we're not talking about tampering with anybody's wife.
So you are now happy because you now have the chances. Hey. This life. Well, I have nothing to tell you, but before you pinch somebody, pinch yourself first and see how sweet or bitter it is. That is all I have for you.
So long as it's not inconveniencing to you.
Thank you very much for coming.
And thank you for the hospitality.
You're welcome. Okay. Take care of yourself. See you soon.
and I cannot handle it. I will advise you people to take him home and keep an eye on him. Don't expect him to say anything because his tongue has been tied.
Hey!
Give him food and coconut water to sustain his breath. This is a spiritual case and I cannot help it. Because he cannot even talk to tell all the things that makes it spiritual.
Mazoko, is it that bad?
My hands are tied.
Okay. Okay, let's just help and take him home.
That is the advice.
No.
It's only in Africa and in royal soul, kingship, majesty is regarded as nothing. The black man is always taking things for granted. Listen, when I was in Sapele, under the tutelage of a white man called Mr. Pigeon, I had the privilege of traveling to the whole world, almost every part of the world. I worked with the Queen of England, I worked with the Duke of Edinburgh, even the Prince of Wales. Oh, yes. You go there, you see how respect is accorded to all these things. What is happening here? What is happening?
Hey, Ichiapara, what are you talking about? Because you have traveled to the clans and the lands of the world, the Duke of Edinburgh, then you should abandon the traditions of our land. We should do what we should do, Ichiapara.
Because I can recall how that cap was given to you. And I'm sure you've not seen the interior of any aeroplane. You have not. See that we are here. You've known me for years. Should not make you forget that I'm a traveler across the globe. Oh. Just recently, in a Zumaland, I was given a powerful title where there were the likes of late Nelson Mandela, Steve Biko, even our own government. They were all there and I was highly celebrated. Who are you to talk to me? If you don't want to talk, you just control your tongue. Is that clear?
Please, we are noble gentlemen. Please, let us do what our forefathers asked us to do by looking for the girl, who for the princess, and stone her to death. Go, not to history.
That's the point being made.
Now listen. Before you think of him to stone to death, listen. A lot of things have changed. Yes.
In our tradition.
Listen to me. We will not do it that way. I am of the opinion that we should invite this girl, ask her some questions. Let us find out from her if she is an Osu or a foreigner in our land. Yes. Because I doubt if a true born of this land will do such thing.
Please, let us follow tradition. We are here for tradition. Let's get the girl, get her stoned to death. Simple.
And I still maintain that I'm of the opinion that nobody should be stoned to death. Yes. You were a beg of you. Our forefathers did. That was then, during their own time, in their own way. This is a new era. Let us reason like human beings and do the things in the right way. Let us reason like human beings and do things in the right way.
Ikem, this is the highest decision-making body of this land. Our decision is final. We must look for the girl and stone her to death. Period.
Whoever is that girl that had the audacity to touch the princess must be stoned to death.
Yes.
Whoever is that girl, let's search for her and deal with her. That's all.
One more question for you. One more question.
Which question?
Have you asked yourself some questions to find, at least try to find out exactly what led to the fight? What brought about the fighting? You've not done that.
Who was there to touch the princess of the land? That was the issue. She must be a commoner.
Yes.
Simple.
I have made my point. Let us be very, very careful. Let us be careful properly, address it properly. Let us do the proper thing.
Get that girl, turn her to that. Please, please.
We must look for that girl and do what tradition demands of us. How could you, knowing who you are, to stoop so and then get in such a terrible thing like fight with a commoner? How could you? And what caused the fight in the first instance?
We had small misunderstanding, just a little issue, and she raised her filthy hands on me. I had to give it back to her.
And it degenerated to a fight.
Yes, Father. I'm sorry about that.
And you guess, you stood there and watched her fight. A princess.
We are sorry, Your Highness. Your Highness, the guest laughed at her for nothing. And that made her to take the fight. We are sorry.
Who was that girl?
Your Highness, I'll really find out who she is.
No leave.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Don't listen to me. I am extremely disappointed. You have to be conscious of who you are. You are a princess of this kingdom. Such a dignified kingdom. You shouldn't fight. If the matter comes to us, you report to me. I have guards. I have security. There was take action. I'm not you.
I'm sorry, Father. It won't happen again, I promise.
Thank you. Let it not happen again.
Izuna. Oh my God. This is too much. What kind of sickness is this?
We're all confused. We're all confused. We don't know how this thing came up. We don't know what's happening to Izuna. The funny thing is that he can't even talk. He can't say a word.
Hey! Adora told me all that Mazioko said. Have you people tried other places, at least for more consultation?
Jane, the consultation you're talking about, it's all about spending money for nothing. Just like what Mazioko said. They have tied his tongue so that he cannot say a word to anybody. If this is what life can offer, it's no better I join my parents. No father, no mother. The only sibling is...
No, Ezile, please don't talk like that. Please, he will be fine. All we need to do is to be prayerful for him. Things like this cannot just happen. Something must be behind it.
What do you think is behind it? Did Izuna wrong anybody? What did he do? The more I try to figure out where all this is coming from, the more I get confused. The more I get confused. I don't know.
Emeka, I am tired. I am tired.
Look at Izuna. Look at...
He's fine.
What to do? Izuna. Hey. Oh.
When an eagle suddenly begins to pay a visit to the guinea fowl, the guinea fowl has one option: to use her sense of security to begin to guard her eggs. Otherwise, there will be danger. Ikem has suddenly turned into unnecessary opposition. And I want to suggest that either we we stop him from coming here entirely. Or if he's here, we limit his opposition, his rantings, his rabble rousing. They are all not good for us. That's my suggestion, please. It's getting too much. See, in 1983, when we were in MBB, things happened. I don't want what happened in 83 to happen here, please, in this palace. No, please.
Listen, of course, we're not here for a display of a king sort of dressing, as if one is going for wrestling. No. Or telling stories about history, what happened in the 30s and 80s and... No. But I go to the point and tell us what happened in 1983 that you just mentioned. What is it that happened in 1983? I've been telling you, stop bringing politics into a meeting like this. This is the palace meeting, you know that. And you know me very well, you know my father. I am a red cap chief. I have every right to air my view in this house, particularly in a meeting as noble as this.
The festival of frogs is always celebrated on waters and not on land.
Not on the land.
We should know that certain decisions are made in this palace and not elsewhere. Again, you should also know that a lot of rules still remain as they were. Igwe, we have taken decision on this matter. And let it be as we have decided.
When we take such decisions, it will be awkward for people to still go behind and to go and try to influence the Igwe. No! Right? See, let me tell you a small story. In 1982, when the Ikemba Nehu or the Mayor came back to his fatherland, with the help of political gurus like Chobo Kadibo, Chief Alexei Kwebe, Ablikiti of Women's Emily Gojubu, and the rest of them, I was in opposition. Not the way you are here, but with constructive opposition that was always aimed at the development of right community. Not the way you are doing it. So what I'm preaching is that oppositions will be for the progress of the community, not for itself, not for self-aggrandizement, not for self-ego. No, the way you're doing it is wrong. Please, we have decided that this girl in question should be stoned. Let her be stoned according to our tradition, please.
Again, listen, Papa, again. Cowards live by side talks. And heroes, great men, go to the point courageously, confidently, at any given time. And who wants to go to the point? Be specific. Who are you referring to?
I can elucidate.
Go ahead and do what you're here.
I can elucidate. I can expatiate. Now, you
came, yes.
You came. So who are you? Can you swallow me? Hold on. If you swallow me, I look up in your neck, and there I begin to expand. When I expand, I won't rest until your eyes begin to bulge, until you begin to suffocate and die. That is it. Who are you?
Of course, you know what you cannot give me.
We have decided the girl in question should be brought to book by a story. Even before the advent of Jesus Christ, there were traditions across the races. Egyptian race, Israeli race, African race, everywhere there was tradition. But when he came, he was preaching alongside these traditions. None went for the order. They remained. So in our own tradition, which was there from time immemorial, let us apply it in the case of this girl. She committed the offense. Let her be stoned to death. As simple as that.
The guards have been instructed to look out for the girl.
Go.
Very soon. I mean very soon. She'll be in this house.
Hey!
With due respect, my king. But still insist that the girl in question is given a fair chance.
You get me? I rule you out of honor.
Overruled! Overruled! Igwe Anyuaru Chisonobodo. Igwe. Nduka. Ikem is a fool. Ikem is an adulterated fool.
What is it? Calm down, Akimowa.
I'm going to show him. Hey, calm down. Shaking the coconut is like shaking himself. I'll show him. Huh?
Calm down. This is what happened.
Where was he coming? In 1959. When I was writing my international examination by British teachers, they were the invigilators. Where was he then? Eh? Where was he when in 1964 I was going to Ghana to discuss African affairs with the likes of Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana, Kenneth Kaunda of Zambia, and Kamuzu Banda of Malawi? Where was he? See, I won't allow this lying though. I'm going to consult my lawyer to arraign Ikem in court. He will sweat. He will sweat. Huh?
Dear boy, please, calm down. Calm down. Tell me what happened. Ikem, I know, is a good person in this village. And I have never seen him quarrel with anybody.
I will be the first person to quarrel with him. Yes! Who is Ikem? Huh? Even in the palace, he has turned into opposition, opposing every decision we have taken. Can you imagine that? It's a clear law that whoever fires a member of the royal palace will be stoned to death. And the verdict turned out that the girl who fought the princess must be stoned to death.
Dear brother, please, don't even go there.
Go away.
That's an age-long tradition.
What do you mean?
So much has changed. If you stone that girl to death, you are taking laws into your hand, and government will come after you.
Don't tell me now.
There are other punishments you can make after her instead of stoning.
Ndoga, it seems you have turned into an opposer.
I am not turning.
Join the opposition. That's what I can say. But I tell you, when I consult my lawyer, who is ready for all of you, you're going to sing a song in court. You'll be in the dock crying. That time, the eyes of all of you will clear. I assure you that. Igwe no anyuaru tisalobodo. Igwe no anyuaru tisalobodo.
What I'm saying is that even if you have to, even if what's his name, he came offends you, you should allow me fight him and not you.
Hi, Chinaza. I was on my way to your house. Thank God I met you.
What is it?
Your friend Ego Ibo is in trouble. You are where she fought with the princess.
Yes, I know about it.
That fight has landed her into trouble. So go to wherever she is now and tell her to leave this community as soon as possible.
But why? Why would she leave?
I had to steal her from the house. I overheard my uncle telling my father that it has been concluded that Ego Ibo must be stoned to death.
What? Is your Kute?
I'm sure by now they must be looking for her.
Hey! Ego Ibo, thank you very much, eh?
Please. This should be between us.
Okay. Good day, Zine.
Good day.
How is he doing?
It's just there.
It's okay. I
Ada said I should give you this money to help you take care of him more. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, what's up for me? Just a matter of time to okay. Yeah, this one. How do we get to Ego Ibo's house? The Igwe want to see him. It's urgent.
I don't know the exact place. It's only my sick brother and Emeka that knows the place.
How do we get to Emeka's house?
Hope there's no problem.
No, not at all. No problem.
Are you sure? Okay, come, let me show you the direction.
Zuna, sorry, yeah?
Have you seen what Izuna costs for me? Eh? Tell me, where do I go from here now?
Just go. Go anywhere you can, but you must leave this community now. My father told me it's an abomination to lay a hand on anyone from the royal home. And that person must be stoned to death.
Stone? No, not my sister. Just go in there, pick anything you can lay your hands on, and just leave right away, please.
Okay.
Ego, come out, please. You're wasting time. You have to leave.
You are looking for Ego Ibo.
This is not Ego Ibo's house.
You say?
Meaning what?
Meaning that you're in the wrong place. Ego Ibo does not live here. Yeah, and you, why did you bring them to this place? You are aware that this is not our father's house. Why did you bring them here?
Nothing, they just asked me to come and show them where Ego Ibo is, and meanwhile, with the way you people are looking for her, is there any problem?
The Igwe asked us to bring her to the palace because of that fight with the princess.
It's all lies. We are aware they want to stone her to death just because of a fight.
Guinea?
Yes. That's it.
We are not here for all these long stories. Where is the young lady?
She's not here. Go and look for her in her father's house.
She's not there. She's not here.
She doesn't
Go
go
to
to
her
her
father's house.
Go and look for her in her father's house.
Enter there. Enter.
She must come out too. She must come out.
Search inside.
I don't.
Search under that bed. You must say go Igbo to
Search the other side. At the back. She's not here. Is this her father's house? At the back.
Are you sure? Yeah? You didn't see her? You searched under the bed. You didn't see her? Well.
I'll be back for you.
I know, Chidi. We're waiting for you. Hey, you must say Are you asking why you bring them here?
Where is she?
Ego. Ego Ibo. Did you see her? Where is she? Hey.
I didn't know why they just asked me to come out. I didn't know anything.
Pull her to death.
Hey!
Where is my sister?
Ego!
I just have to go. This is too much on me. Please let me just.
No, Ego, no. You can't possibly live like that. Izuna is critically ill, and it will be so unfair of you to live without seeing him.
Emeka, I am running out of my father's land because of Izuna. I fought the princess because of Izuna. Besides, who even knows what is wrong with him? As it stands right now, I would really love to see Izuna, but I just can't. I am scared of my life. Just tell us where you are going to in case we want to see you. I do not know where I'm going to, but I pray the gods of our land lead me through. I want you all to know that all these crimes they are accusing me of, I did not commit any one of them. I thought I was fighting for something that belongs to me. I know that I was wrong. I will miss you, my friend.
love is pain. Yeah. Someone you love so much can hurt you. Someone you love can disappoint you. Someone you trust can hurt you and keep you at the middle of the road. Yeah.
But how can the king order us to look for a girl that we don't know? He should have at least asked the princess to follow us. After all, she's the one that fought with the girl and knows the girl. DJ there.
How can they even conclude that the girl is I'm not part of that tradition. So, if the princess insults me and I give her Ezigbo prayer, that is this love, they will arrange me for stealing, even when my name is not stealing.
Which stealing are you talking about?
The one in the Bible, of course. Besides, plenty people are stolen in the Bible. Well, let's go and do our own concern. I think I know the way. When we see her, we take her to the palace. We'll still play her.
Are you sure you know her?
Yeah.
Let's go. Hey, stop it! Who are you and where are you going by this time of the night?
I was told that my grandmother died this night, so I was rushing to go and see her dead body before she will be buried.
Why don't you wait till morning? Don't you know anything can happen to you?
Yes, you're right. It's just that my grandmother told me so many secrets she wanted me to share with my cousin in case anything happens. Besides, she never wanted her dead body to be taken to the mortuary. So I need to get there before they take her body there. I know that something can happen to me, but I just need to get there fast.
Okay, do you know any girl called Ego Ibo?
Huh?
Do you know any girl called Ego Ibo in this
Ego? The only one I know, she's from Udenu village. She's tall, she's fair, but I don't think I've seen her for some days now.
So, can you take us there?
Eh?
How can you tell her to take us there? You don't expect her to leave where she's going just to take us there. Don't worry. Look for her to go. You can go.
Thank you.
Who is she? We saw her walking along the road at night. We suspected her movement and stopped her. She lied that she's from Udenu village. We brought her in here so she can tell us the truth. Because some of the problems we are having in this land are some of these girls who connive with thieves in our land.
We're going to rain many blessings on our land. Some of these young girls have women. So we brought her here so that she can tell us more better where she was embarking as night before we caught her.
Are you Ego Ibo? Are you deaf? Can't you speak? Speak!
Now listen. I will not ask you this again. Are you the idiot that fought the princess?
You?
Well,
Your Highness.
I must commend you, boys.
You are doing a good job in this kingdom.
Thank you, Your Highness.
She is not a criminal, but she is on my wanted list. You can go. Let me deal with her case.
Thank you, Your Highness. You will...
Perhaps welcome. Move!
Let me respect the fact that you're royalty. Let me respect you because you are a woman like me. If not, I would have sent you out of my father's house. My brother is sick. Ego Yibo is facing your father and the elders of this community, and she must be stoned to death because she fought you. Why are you so concerned about Izuna? Ego Yibo was fighting for her rights. Can't you understand?
Izini, if you don't handle what was given to you very well, someone else will do that for you. I came to your family as a friend. I never dated your brother. That he has a girlfriend does not stop him from associating with other people. What gave that silly thing the right to lay her cursed hands on me, a princess like me?
You should know that sometimes women act according to their thoughts. She thought that by doing what she did, she could be able to separate the chaff from the beans. Adora, Ego Yibo is a nice girl, and she has been through a lot since her childhood.
I don't care if she was raised from the pit of hell. I don't care. Some girls should know when to draw the line. Well, the truth is that I didn't tell my father. Some other people did, and I have to go with their decision.
Okay. It's alright. What's your plan on Izuna? As you can see, he's sick. Are you still...
Izuna is a cross. I have to carry. I will do everything possible to make him well again, even if it means spending my last kobo. I have come to love him very much. And as for that silly girl, in her next miserable world, she will learn to look before she will live. Take the money and take care of your brother. I'll take him away when I'm done with my plans.
Chiso, where's your father? Inside. Call him. Call him. Oh, Luka? Yeah, well. Thank you very much. Ikem thought he could chew me like cola in the palace. Ikem, I'm going to jail Ikem. I'll get him jailed. Eh? Oh, what does he think he is? What impunity? Eh? I had altercation with him in the palace. You see, the evil done by Ikenge and his daughter is now haunting them.
Which Ikenge?
The Kenga that was owing you money now, before he died. The father of the stupid girl who fought the princess. Huh?
You mean Igo?
What am I doing with her? Huh? The issue came because the girl was trying to escape. Then she ran into vigilance boys who dragged her to the palace. When the issue was being argued, he came forward with declarations of war. Can you imagine that impunity, that audacity? Eh? See, I'm going to deal with him. He was attacking me right, left, and center at the palace. Eh? Oh, I won't allow this lying though. Chisom, go to my room, lift the pillow, you will see my diary. Bring it. Bring it! Yes, yes. I must consult my old lawyer to deal with this matter. To bring up charges against him. Charges upon charges. I'll make sure at the end he goes to jail. Go and bring it.
Please. Dikeh did not know all you know. Besides, he never worked to the white people, and he's not even a First Republican politician. But please, don't call your old lawyer for him. Just forgive, please.
Are you hearing your daughter? If someone as small as your daughter could know a lot about my credentials, then why not Ikem? Who is it not to know me in this community? Eh? I'm insisting I must deal with him. I must deal with him. Eh?
He cheated.
Eh?
Please calm down.
Oh, you think I'm playing? I'm joking.
Calm down. Don't mind Ikem and his stupidity. Or what I can call he's just a child. I told you that leave Ikem for me if need be. Chisum, go inside. Get in that fresh pan wine. Let me calm them down.
Anybody who could muster the guts to come and challenge me is no longer a small boy.
They're gonna happen.
No. It's the high time I dealt with Ikem, so I'm unbenable.
And who are you people?
We are here to see the king.
The king?
Yes.
What for?
We are from this community. Or is the palace restricted to some people?
And who do I tell the king that wants to see him?
Tell him his people want to see him.
In that case, let me inform the king. Wait.
Your Highness, you are the highest authority in this kingdom. You have the right to stop and to start. Ego is the only seed in her family. She is a child that never knew who her mother was. And the mother's older sister. Please, save her from this issue.
Woman, you have spoken well. But I still have the kingmakers who decide on certain rules in this kingdom. Ego committed an abomination. I'm not saying this because my daughter was involved. But people have lost respect to traditional institutions.
Your Highness, Ego is only but a child. Please have mercy on all of us. We have the kingmakers, but you are still our king. Ego is my cousin. My mother and
emotion that the day we heard she fought with the princess. Please, Your Highness. Please, I'm begging you. Killing her is not the best option.
Are you here to teach me the best option of what? We have certain rules that deals with such situations, and that's what must apply. As for that girl, she must be stoned. No! To serve as a deterrent to others. I have spoken. It may please you to leave my palace. Do I make myself clear? I said leave my palace. Do you want me to send you guys? Yes, leave my palace.
The king wants to see you. Now.
We've concluded that you will die by stoning. We don't want to know why you did what you did. You fought the princess of this kingdom and brought this kingdom to public disrepute. And from our investigation, we found out you fought the princess because of a man. You had the guts to slap her, tore her royal garment, and absconded, thinking that the long arm of law will not catch up with you. Young woman, you must die.
Your Highness, the decision may have been taken. Come and ask one where they will a government. I am pleading on her behalf.
Let us listen to her. After all, sometime in the past when Okonkwo came to slap the king's wife to death, she was allowed to talk. Yes. I mean, she told her whole version of the story. Why can't we listen to her? Please, let us listen to her.
We will not sit here to listen to any story. Igwe has spoken, so shall he be.
My fathers, all the king said is true. But please, let me just say one word.
Which is?
I've come to realize that in life, nothing is worth fighting for. I committed an abomination. I know that you all have made your decisions. But please, Before I die, I need to forgive Izuna. We both took an oath at the Zomiri River, where we vowed to love each other till death. If only I knew. If only I was told that fighting for a man I thought belonged to me would cause my death.
You both took an oath at his own deity?
Yes, Chief.
Hey.
As I speak, Izuna is dying. I had to go back to the river to cross him. Please, my fathers, I need to go back to the deity to make an appeal on his behalf. We're all humans. Please. Nobody can watch what belongs to him or her being snatched away. Please, my fathers, it is better for me to die so Izuna can live.
Why?
He is an only son. His lineage should continue. I am an only daughter. My father did not have any male children. Please, my fathers, allow me to go back to the deity to make an appeal on his behalf. Please, so Izuna can live his life. I know tradition must be kept. But please, my fathers, it would be wicked of me to allow Izuna to die. Please, let me go back and revert it. Since tradition has taken its stance on me, I have no other option. But if there's any way I can be forgiven, please, my fathers, please, temper justice with mercy.
The girl wants to see you.
Which girl?
The girl that was locked up.
You mean Ego?
Yes, my princess.
See, what for?
The girl has been crying and begging. She said she wants to see you before she dies.
I've heard you come. My princess, please, you can come see her. Come see her. And don't
Izuna is the only man I've ever known. We have come a long way. We shared lots of things together. Izuna will always rescue me whenever I was in trouble. He will protect me, especially when the boys will want to bully me. I thought he loved me. So?
I don't know what to do again. I'm frustrated. My mother is dying by the day and Mazioko has refused to touch her until I deposit some money. What do? I've sold 2 lands already. I've gone, I've begged, I've pleaded with people. Nobody's ready to help. I can't just stand by and watch my mother die now.
Stop lamenting, don't worry, Your mother will not die. Actually, my father kept some money inside. He wanted to use it to offset his debt to Mazi Nduka. But I'll give you the money so your mother can leave. Mazi Nduka can wait,
Are you sure?
Just don't worry, hold on, let me quickly get the money, okay?
Okay.
Please rush to Mazioko's place. Just go now.
God will bless you.
Yes, go. I gave him the money my father kept in the house. And that singular act killed my father.
You mean you did all this for him? And your father died as a result of this?
I watched my father die slowly. And I could not tell him that I knew where the money was. When I started seeing you with Izuna, I got so angry. I was jealous. I felt you had come to use your royalty to take him away from me. And the only thing that came to my mind at that time was to fight you. I also took an oath with Izuna. And that's exactly why he's bedridden.
My God. You did what?
Yes. I had to curse him. I had to cry to this Zomiri deity. How could Izuna treat me that way? You know, I had gone to apologize to him because of what I did to you. But Izuna beat me up that day. And that is why I had to curse him.
Izuna never told me all this. He said you're just a friend. A family friend, yes. Please, I beg of you. The tradition is right. But you have the power to say a word. And the people will obey, especially when it has to do with human blood. Please, my father. She has asked me for forgiveness. And I have forgiven her. Remember, you told me that the greatest thing in life is forgiveness. Please, my father. She has even forgiven the young man that caused all this trouble. Please, Father, I beg you.
I will discuss with my cabinet. I will not assure you she will be free, but I will try my best. I will try my best.
Thank you, Father. Though you did not make a promise to me, but I know my father. I know you're a good man with a good heart. Thank you.
Wipe your tears.
Thank you, Father.
How are you? I want to say the king. You can come in.
May the peace of the Lord be with you all.
You're welcome, Father.
Thank you. I came in respect of Ini Edo. I want to humbly plead on her behalf. I am the parish priest of St. Patrick's. And it will be a deal of honor if you people can do me this favor.
Reverend Father, how dare you back into the circle of powerfully titled people like us here? You think ours is a mean title? When I was taking my oath, I had to travel from Tablet to the east in the Jubu transport. Dikeh too much. So it's not a mean title. How do you back into just like that? Look at our heads. Eh? Look at the castle. Look at the red cap. Is there no stark difference? You might be there by now. Right? Be very careful. Have respect for elders. Have respect for title people. Don't dare do it next time.
I am sincerely sorry, my elders. I have never come here to disrupt your discussion. It's just that I was sad when I was told about your decision to stone somebody who has erred just in the name of tradition.
Okay, you have tradition in your church, represented by this your ordinary. As far as I'm concerned, this is ordinary clothing material. Then our own is personified, identified by this danger. Like I told you, if I so desire, I just cast a charm on you. Don't do it next time. There's a difference. Respect others, respect titled people. Respect us, please.
Listen, Papa. I don't know who you listen to. If this card is taken from you, you see that there is no difference between you and those that serve us. I'm coming. I am coming. I'm coming. I am coming. Listen to me. a man of God. Yes. There are so many rules that have to be abridged. It's none of them. Let me give you an example. Slave trade was abolished. Killing of twins was abolished. As a matter of fact, we have every reason to listen to him. We must listen to this man.
Your Highness, our priest standing before us is a very young man. Ego equally is a young woman.
Yes.
Yes. They are not they don't. They are not embraced the traditions and customs of our people.
You're making a point.
Oh, yes.
They are too small.
So please, let us tender justice with mercy.
Okay, Baba. You said you are from the country.
Yes.
The moment you stepped into this palace, I knew that I am going to forgive a queen. I respect God a lot. Yes, I respect God. You see, you give to Caesar what is Caesar.
Yeah.
And what belongs to God, you give it to God.
So go, your sin has been forgiven.
Yes. Thank you so much, Ibu. Thank you, my elders.
Yes.
I want to assure you that for the fact that you have respected God today, God will in return respect you all. And as far as He lives, His blessings will forever remain with you all. Thank you so much. And please, may I see her?
Oh, you can. God.
You go on for Paloma. Remember, from my ball.
Take him to go. Oh.
Monitor him very well.
Thank you very much.
Don't give them gap.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I see. The good Lord has set you free. You see, love is good, but the love of Christ is the best of all. We can only do our best as humans, but God does the spiritual. I want you to bear no grudge against anybody, even as you leave this place. Make Christ your Lord from today and watch Him organize your steps. And one more thing. Look for Chisom, Nduka's daughter. She cried to me and asked me to come to your rescue. I mean, if not for her, I wouldn't have known all this.
Thank you, Father.
May the Lord be with you. The King has set you free.
Father.
Yes. So stand up, bring your bag and follow me. Stand up. It's okay, my dear.
Thank you, Father.
It's okay, my dear.
Thank you.
Follow me, let's go. Let the Lord be with you. It's okay.
Emeka, what is happening here? What is happening? What happened to Izuna? Izuna, what happened to Izuna?
Izuna is dead.
Dead?
Izuna. Why now? Why?
Izuna, my friend.
Ogini.
No. Izuna.
What happened?
Izuna has left us. Izuna.
Where is he?
Izuna has left us.
My friend. No, this is not happening. This is not happening, God. Izuna. Is this you? What?
Thank God you are alive, Izuna. It is this same girl you wanted to abandon because of riches that brought you back to life. After all she went through because of you. Her father died because she took a risk so your mother could live. Even when I came into the picture, you told me that she's just a family friend. Just because of a loaf of bread. We should all learn to respect our relationships.
Listen, I thought I was fighting for something that belonged to me. I never knew it was just a mirage. I know how I fought to keep our relationship alive. But thank God I did not die. Not to worry, Izuna. The oath has been destroyed. I now realize that I have no future with you. Because you think I'm a nobody. It is well with you, Izuna. Izuna, you're still my sister,
okay? Hey!
Let's go.
I told you to be very careful. That sometimes what we are holding is better than what we don't have. It's a lesson to everybody. It's a lesson to you and I hate friends that do not listen to advice.